What is number one? What is a multimeter? A multimeter is an electrical measuring instrument used to measure voltage, volts, current, amperes, resistance, ohms. An analog multimeter uses a needle pointer that moves across a scale to show readings. A multimeter is an electrical measuring instrument used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. An analog multimeter uses a moving needle, also called a pointer, display readings on a scale. Number 2, parts and uses of analog multimeter. The main parts of an analog multimeter include the pointer or needle, which shows the measurement, the scale where values are read, the range selector, switch used to use what to measure, the zero adjustment knob, which sets the needle to zero, the ohms adjustment knob used for resistance calibration, the test leads or probes which connect the meter to the circuit, and the terminals where the probes are inserted. This device is used to measure voltage, resistance, check continuity, and troubleshoot circuits. Number 3, how to calibrate measurements. Calibrate measurements to calibrate for resistance. First, set the selector to ohms. Next, touch the two probes together. Then adjust the ohm zero knob until the needle points to zero. Once done, the meter is now calibrated. Always remember to calibrate before measuring resistance. Number 4, how to watch the ohm meter. A continuity testing to check continuity. Set the meter to a low resistance range. Touch the probes to the circuit. If the needle moves to zero, it means the circuit is connected. If there is no movement, the circuit is open. B. Resistor testing. For resistor testing, select the proper resistance range. Connect the probes across the resistor, read the value on the scale, and multiply it by the scale range. Number 5, how to watch DC voltmeter. Set the selector to DC voltage. Use a range higher than the expected voltage. Connect the red probe to positive and the black probe to negative. Then read the value on the DC scale. Always observe correct polarity. Number 6, how to watch a AC voltmeter. For AC voltmeter, set the selector to AC voltmeter. Choose the proper range. Connect the probes to the circuit polarity. Those two matter. Then read the value on the AC scale. Conclusion. In conclusion, an analog multimeter is an essential tool for measuring electrical values and troubleshooting circuits. Proper as and calibration ensure accurate and safe measurements. Extra tips for your video. Speak slowly and clearly. Show the actual multimeter a possible point to each part while explaining and labels or captions for better understanding.